March 12th, 2020, 7:01 a.m. Do a sky view, but first I want to get the moon. If I could just hold still, that would be nice. I touched it. Focus in a little bit better. There we go. Now let's get the sky view. Alright, this is now without the telephoto zoom lens. And the brightness is all the way down, because when you put it on default, make sure I'm focused. This thing is giving me feedback. Doing that for quite some time now. So, as a quick review, the moon was setting right here at the full moon. Same spot that I was before. Look at it now where it's setting. It's not going to go from here to there. It's going to set back over here. So let's just do a sky view, and then I will get ready for the sunrise. Local crows headed north in the morning for breakfast. And yes, that color is correct. Right about there. That is what I'm seeing right above. Right here. There we go, right there. It's like a magenta color. I've already seen 2 jets fly over. And so far right now, this is the coldest part of the morning. I'm blowing just the ever so slight condensation trail, quote unquote. But yet, what's flying from right here, directly over me, going that way, does anybody see anything? I believe that's my point that I'm trying to get to. So, any minute now. Those are the mountain ranges. See the other stuff above them. Alright, I'm going to get on my little soapboxy perch. Right over here. Let's just pause this. Alright then, now that I'm on the spot that I need to be. See that right here. There's some cover. Not all of it is pristine mountains. There's usually peaks, like right there. Those are some of the peaks. There is a little bit of cover though. Some of this is cover. Here's where it's going to be. Get ready. And there's one right now. Had to get it. Headed west. Probably not the best to focus. It's there. Hey, buddy. Yeah, that one I just got came from right over here. It looks like it, but that is the aftermath that's over mountain range. More and more to the left. I might have to move a little bit more to the right. But this is my little window that I get. This is what I was trying to explain, that these mountains, they're not as innocent as they look. Give you guys an example. Not all that is mountain range. That little point is. A lot of this isn't. Like that little rail of dark stuff. I don't know if the finger's going to catch it or not. It's like a little, well, I'm so zoomed in. But there's like that one floating. Then there's like just a line, a hairline of darkness. That would be this stuff that's lit up. Right here. Alright, so we're going to wait a little bit longer. What is the time now? (7:19 a.m.) and still no sign of this thing. Oh, and by the way, there's your first sign of the first one of the day. Notice it's got the back end is white, and the closer it gets to Nevada, Sierra Nevada, the more orange it's getting. It's changing color. Oops, too much. Any moment. And there it is. Sorry for the shaking, Deb. No filter, I've just dimmed it down just ever so slightly. That would be the true mountain range, that Terminator line. I've had to move over because it's in between the tank house and the house. That's how I can get my visual. Not steady enough to put it on the air conditioner unit. Too much bouncing going on up there. throw the filter on. Okay, this is with the filter. Just a little bit overpowering. Okay, now we're going to pull this off and get a good perspective. Okay, that is no telephoto lens at all. Dimness, it's fully zoomed in with the camera, but no telephoto. And I have the brightness turned about as far down as I can go. Otherwise, it's overpowering. All right, enjoy. Everybody be safe. Peace out. That is how much it has moved. I wanted to get a little bit more of the moon. It's dropped to where I can hold it at an angle just right without touching it. I'm kind of too close to the tripod. Once I get something that can hold this phone locked into the threaded perch, but there's only so much you can do with the cell phone. Yeah, that is the moon moving. The camera's locked into place, so pristine this morning. A little bit better focus. So difficult to get a good focus when it moves. Only 4 planes have flown over today, so far this morning. One went towards the mountains and had a little tail. The other ones came from the mountains from the east and headed to San Francisco to the west. Nothing. Didn't put out anything at all. That's the way it should always be. And clouds, nothing. Pollution, nothing. Beautiful day, most definitely. Let me show y'all.